Hello and greetings from Percentilers and welcome to Quant question of the day. Let's see today's question.
Question on equations and variation. Please pause the video, try the question, and then resume the video. So let's try to make the equations in terms of cost. So the cost, so hostel collects 1600 per month from each boarder, and the profit made by hostel is 200 per boarder. That means the cost incurred by the hostel would be 1400 per boarder, sorry. So if I tend to make the equation in terms of cost, I would be making 1400 into 50 borders. That would be comprising fixed cost, which is F, and variable cost, let's call V. So F becomes fixed cost that does not depend on any number of borders, and V be the variable cost per border. And the next would be 1350 into 75, that would be equal to fixed cost plus 75V. So if I solve these two equations, I would get 25V equal to 1375, 1350 into 75 minus 1400 into 50. Now if I divide this entire equation by 25, I have this philosophy of always leaving all the calculation for the last step. So most of the times this saves me from doing some unnecessary calculation. So suppose you had multiplied 14, 5 and 135 into 75. Not needed, because you can divide this entire equation by 25. Okay, so this would be 4050 minus 2800. That would be V. So V comes out to be 1250. That's great. And therefore the fixed cost would come out to be, if I put 1250 in this, so F will become, taking 50 common, 1400 minus 1250, that would be 50 into 150, that would be 7500 rupees. Fixed cost comes out to be 7500 rupees. Alright, so now we know fixed cost, variable cost. We need to see what happens when 80 borders are there. So when 80 borders are there, the total collection would be same, 1600 into 80 borders. That would be 128,000. So 1,28,000. Let us look at the cost. Cost would be fixed cost 7,500 plus 1250 into 80 borders. So this would make 1,07,500. So total profit would be collection, that is sale minus cost, and that would come out to be 20,500 rupees. So here we go, we get our answer as second option. That would be all for this question.